Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of cloud storage and its critical role in inventory tracking. As businesses grow and inventory systems become more complex, choosing the right cloud storage features can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore which features matter most, ranked by their impact on efficient inventory management. Whether you're a small retailer or a large enterprise, understanding these features will help you streamline operations, reduce errors, and stay ahead of the competition. Let's start by understanding why cloud storage is essential for modern inventory tracking. Cloud storage has revolutionized the way businesses handle inventory data. Unlike traditional storage, cloud solutions offer real-time access, scalability, and enhanced security. This means your inventory data is always available, whether you're in the office or on the go. With cloud storage, you can easily collaborate with team members, integrate with other business tools, and ensure your data is backed up and protected from disasters. These advantages make cloud storage a must-have for any business serious about inventory tracking. Before we dive into each feature, let's look at the big picture. Not all cloud storage features are created equal when it comes to inventory tracking. Some have a direct impact on efficiency and accuracy, while others are more about convenience or long-term growth. In the next scenes, we'll break down the most important features, starting with those that have the highest impact. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which features to prioritize for your business. At the top of our list is real-time syncing. This feature ensures that any changes made to your inventory are instantly updated across all devices and users. Imagine scanning a product into your warehouse and having that information immediately reflected in your system, accessible by your sales team, managers, and even remote workers. Real-time syncing reduces errors, prevents double counting, and keeps everyone on the same page, making it the most impactful feature for inventory tracking. Next up is data security. Inventory data is sensitive and often critical to business operations. Cloud storage providers offer advanced security features like encryption, multi-factor authentication, and access controls. These measures protect your inventory records from unauthorized access, cyber threats, and data breaches. When evaluating cloud storage, prioritize providers with strong security protocols to safeguard your business's most valuable information. Scalability is crucial for growing businesses. As your inventory expands, your storage needs will too. Cloud storage allows you to easily scale up or down without investing in new hardware or infrastructure. This flexibility ensures you're never paying for more than you need, and you can quickly adapt to seasonal changes or business growth. Look for cloud solutions that offer seamless scalability to support your evolving inventory requirements. Integration capabilities are essential for streamlining your workflow. The best cloud storage solutions easily connect with inventory management systems, point-of-sale software, and other business tools. This integration allows for automated data transfers, reducing manual entry, and minimizing errors. When your systems work together, you save time and improve accuracy, making integration a high-impact feature for inventory tracking. User access controls allow you to manage who can view, edit, or delete inventory data. This feature is vital for maintaining data integrity and security. By assigning roles and permissions, you can ensure that only authorized personnel make changes to your inventory records. This reduces the risk of accidental deletions or unauthorized edits, keeping your data accurate and secure. Automated backups are a lifesaver when it comes to protecting your inventory data. With this feature, your data is regularly saved to the cloud without manual intervention. In case of accidental deletion, system failure, or cyber attack, you can quickly restore your inventory records. Automated backups provide peace of mind and ensure business continuity, making them a must-have for any inventory tracking system. Version control allows you to track changes and revert to previous versions of your inventory data. This is especially useful if errors are made or if you need to review historical inventory records. With version control, you can see who made changes, when they were made, and easily restore earlier versions if needed. This feature adds an extra layer of protection and transparency to your inventory management process. Mobile accessibility ensures that you and your team can access inventory data from anywhere at any time. Whether you're on the warehouse floor, in a retail store, or traveling, having mobile access keeps you connected and responsive. This feature is especially valuable for businesses with multiple locations or remote teams, enabling real-time updates and decision-making on the go. Audit trails provide a detailed record of all actions taken within your inventory system. This includes who accessed or modified data, what changes were made, and when. Audit trails are essential for accountability and compliance, helping you identify and resolve discrepancies quickly. They also provide valuable insights for process improvement and security monitoring. Customizable alerts keep you informed about important inventory events, such as low stock levels, unusual activity, or failed data syncs. With this feature, you can set up notifications tailored to your business needs, ensuring you never miss a critical update. Alerts help you respond quickly to issues, maintain optimal stock levels, and prevent costly mistakes. Data analytics tools built into your cloud storage can transform raw inventory data into actionable insights. These tools help you identify trends, forecast demand, and optimize stock levels. With powerful analytics, you can make data-driven decisions that improve efficiency, reduce costs, and boost profitability. Look for cloud storage solutions that offer robust analytics capabilities for inventory tracking. API access allows your cloud storage to communicate with other software and systems. This is crucial for automating workflows, integrating with third-party apps, and customizing your inventory management processes. With API access, you can build tailored solutions that fit your unique business needs, enhancing flexibility and efficiency. Multi-device support ensures your inventory data is accessible from desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This flexibility allows your team to work efficiently regardless of their preferred device or location. Multi-device compatibility is especially important for businesses with diverse teams or remote workers, ensuring everyone stays connected and productive. High availability means your inventory data is always accessible, even during maintenance or unexpected outages. Cloud storage providers achieve this through redundant systems and failover mechanisms. High availability minimizes downtime, ensuring your business operations continue smoothly and your inventory data is always at your fingertips. Data redundancy involves storing multiple copies of your inventory data in different locations. This protects against data loss due to hardware failure, natural disasters, or cyber attacks. With data redundancy, you can be confident that your inventory records are safe and recoverable no matter what happens. Cost management tools help you monitor and control your cloud storage expenses. These tools provide insights into usage patterns, storage costs, and potential savings. By understanding your spending, you can optimize storage allocation, avoid unnecessary expenses, and ensure your inventory tracking remains cost-effective. Customizable storage plans allow you to choose the right amount of storage for your business needs. As your inventory grows, you can easily upgrade your plan without disruption. This flexibility ensures you're only paying for what you need, making cloud storage a scalable and cost-effective solution for inventory tracking. Data import and export tools make it easy to move inventory data into and out of your cloud storage system. This is especially useful when migrating from legacy systems or integrating with new software. Efficient import, export tools save time, reduce errors, and ensure a smooth transition for your inventory tracking processes. Custom metadata support allows you to add additional information to your inventory records, such as product categories, supplier details, or expiration dates. This makes it easier to organize, search, and analyze your inventory data. Custom metadata enhances the flexibility and usefulness of your cloud storage solution. File sharing and collaboration features enable your team to work together on inventory documents and reports. With cloud storage, multiple users can access, edit, and comment on files in real time. This improves communication, speeds up decision-making, and ensures everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. A powerful search function helps you quickly locate specific inventory items, documents, or records within your cloud storage. Advanced search features, such as filters and tags, save time and reduce frustration, especially as your inventory database grows. Efficient search functionality is a key feature for maintaining productivity and accuracy. Custom user roles allow you to define specific permissions for different team members. For example, warehouse staff may only need to view inventory, while managers can edit or approve changes. Custom roles help you tailor access to your business structure, improving security and workflow efficiency. Compliance certifications, such as ISO or SOC, indicate that a cloud storage provider meets industry standards for data security and privacy. For businesses handling sensitive inventory data, choosing a certified provider ensures you meet legal and regulatory requirements, reducing risk and building trust with customers and partners. Activity monitoring tools provide real-time visibility into how your cloud storage is being used. You can track user actions, detect unusual behavior, and generate reports for auditing purposes. This feature helps you maintain security, identify potential issues early, and ensure your inventory data is being handled appropriately. Offline access allows you to view and edit inventory data even when you're not connected to the internet. Changes made offline are automatically synced once you're back online. This feature is especially useful for field teams or locations with unreliable internet, ensuring continuous productivity. Data encryption protects your inventory data, both in transit and at rest. Encryption ensures that even if data is intercepted or accessed without authorization, it remains unreadable. Strong encryption standards are a must-have for any cloud storage solution handling sensitive inventory information. Disaster recovery features ensure your inventory data can be quickly restored after events like hardware failure, cyber attacks, or natural disasters. Cloud storage providers often offer automated recovery options, minimizing downtime and data loss. This feature is essential for maintaining business continuity and protecting your inventory records. A user-friendly interface makes it easy for your team to navigate and manage inventory data. Intuitive design reduces training time, minimizes errors, and boosts productivity. When evaluating cloud storage solutions, prioritize those with clear layouts, helpful guides, and responsive support. Automated workflows streamline repetitive inventory tasks such as stock updates, order processing, or report generation. By automating these processes, you save time, reduce manual errors, and ensure consistency across your inventory operations. Look for cloud storage solutions that support workflow automation for maximum efficiency. Custom reporting tools let you generate tailored inventory reports based on your specific needs. Whether you want to track stock levels, sales trends, or supplier performance, custom reports provide the insights you need to make informed decisions. This feature is invaluable for monitoring performance and identifying areas for improvement. Multi-language support ensures your cloud storage platform is accessible to users in different regions or with diverse language needs. This feature is especially important for global businesses or teams with multilingual staff, promoting inclusivity and effective communication. Scheduled maintenance notifications keep you informed about planned downtime or updates to your cloud storage system. This allows you to plan around maintenance windows and avoid disruptions to your inventory tracking. Timely notifications help you maintain smooth operations and minimize surprises. Data retention policies allow you to define how long inventory data is stored before it's deleted or archived. This helps you comply with legal requirements, manage storage costs, and keep your database organized. Flexible retention policies are a valuable feature for businesses with specific data management needs. Bulk data upload features let you add large volumes of inventory data quickly and efficiently. This is especially useful when onboarding new products, migrating systems, or updating records. Bulk uploads save time and ensure your inventory database stays current and accurate. Custom branding allows you to personalize your cloud storage interface with your company's logo, colors, and style. This creates a cohesive experience for your team and reinforces your brand identity. While not essential for functionality, custom branding adds a professional touch to your inventory management system. Role-based dashboards present relevant inventory data and tools based on each user's role. For example, managers might see analytics and reports, while warehouse staff see stock levels and order tasks. This targeted approach improves efficiency and ensures users have the information they need to perform their jobs effectively. Automated notifications keep your team informed about important inventory events, such as stock arrivals, order shipments, or system updates. These alerts ensure timely action and help prevent delays or miscommunication. Automated notifications are a simple but powerful tool for keeping your inventory operations running smoothly. A third-party app marketplace gives you access to additional tools and integrations that enhance your inventory tracking. From barcode scanners to advanced analytics, these apps expand the capabilities of your cloud storage solution. A robust marketplace ensures you can adapt your system as your business needs evolve. Reliable support and comprehensive documentation are essential for troubleshooting and maximizing the value of your cloud storage. Look for providers that offer responsive customer service, detailed guides, and helpful resources. Good support ensures you can resolve issues quickly and keep your inventory tracking on track. Advanced search filters allow you to narrow down inventory results by category, date, location, or other criteria. This makes it easier to find exactly what you need, even in large databases. Advanced filters improve efficiency and accuracy in your inventory tracking process. Customizable dashboards let you arrange widgets, charts, and reports to suit your workflow. This personalization helps you focus on the most important inventory metrics and tasks. Custom dashboards improve visibility and make it easier to monitor key performance indicators. To wrap up, the most impactful cloud storage features for inventory tracking include real-time syncing, robust security, scalability, and seamless integrations. Features like automated backups, user access controls, and analytics tools further enhance your inventory management. When choosing a cloud storage solution, prioritize the features that align with your business needs and growth plans. By doing so, you'll ensure efficient, secure, and scalable inventory tracking for years to come. Thanks for watching, and best of luck optimizing your inventory with the right cloud storage features.